why does Mr. Ham hate me? Honey, he doesn't hate you. Then why does he always ask me to answer questions about stuff when he knows I have no freaking idea what he's talking about? Probably because he knows that you're smart and wants you to live up to your potential. And for that matter, why does he make us handwrite notes during his unit lectures? Doesn't he know that, like, nobody's handwritten anything since 2005? Hey, that's when I graduated from high school. And I don't know. But why is his class so much harder than every other class? I don't get him at all. Like, he never tells us whenever quizzes are happening. Emma, I have no idea. Have you ever asked him why? Why do we even need to take his class? I hate chemistry. It's not my calling, Mom. I'm gonna be a professional influencer. What on God's green earth is that? That's not a real job. And if it is, it's probably pretty hard. Why not? I've told you a million times before that it's a real job. Like, literally a real job. I could be a brand ambassador and travel around the world and never have to know anything about dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is... It's the analysis of relationships between different physical quantities identified by their base quantities and units of measurement to track them as calculations to understand their performance. Like I said, why would I ever need to know that? But more importantly, why is this class so hard? Why? 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 I think it's time for a proper formal introduction. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I help hardworking families and professionals find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. I've worked with children and teens for over 17 years as a dance educator. My students range from ages 2 to 18 and have various different backgrounds and learning styles. I work directly with your kids to help them succeed with the organizational systems that cater to their learning style. I'll work with them to develop systems to track papers, assignments, long-term projects, and events. I will also help your kids become independent learners and learn the value of accountability and responsibility through regular coaching. Then we'll have some fun and set up their personal spaces for style and efficiency and set up the perfect academic workspace. So please get in touch with me at the contact information provided, or you can learn more by going to my website, www.ispeakorganized.com/organizedkids. I look forward to chatting with you and figuring out how I can help you succeed this fall. Take care and have a wonderful day.